Hiya folks, back home in the UK now after being in Cyprus for 18 days. It's a bit cold here compared to Cyprus, I must say, but I haven't got much on at the moment, so I'm just going to have a little show you around, see what I've got about, and I've also got to have a look in the workshop for the first time to see what sort of a mess that's in, since Jimmy's been working in there, and Gary. See you in a minute. Right, well, as you know, I was hoping to have this whole area slabbed by now, but that didn't happen. The day window which Jimmy had available, because he works every other Saturday, it poured down with rain here in the UK, so he couldn't actually get out here with his friends to lay the patio. The grass has grown up here, as you can see. This is on the bit that's going to be paved over, so this has got to be raked off just to get that grass. Well, I dropped grass seed when I actually done the lawn, but the lawn's really taken off now, and yeah, it's looking really lush now, but it does need a cut. Jimmy did try to cut it. He ran out of petrol on the lawnmower, plus the handle on Sharon's lawnmower, he said it broke or whatever, so I'm going to have a little look at that as well. But I'm sure you can see there the actual length of the grass there. I'm hoping this is just going to pull out of here. Oh yeah, look, that's only just sitting on the surface, look. So this is where the patio's going to be laid underneath there, so yeah, it's not really rooted there, as you can see, but that's just the seed that was just sprinkled accidentally on the surface there, so I can pull all that out, or get Sharon to do that maybe. And then it'll have to be yeah, it's all coming up all right, look. So I'll leave that for now that I know. My fear was that's going to be really deep rooted, and I was going to struggle to pull that out, because I don't really want to put cement over that. So yeah, there you go, comes up nice and easy. Happy days. So coming around the patio area, I want to find Sharon's lawnmower, because Jimmy said that the handle was broken on it. Well, I knew it did have a problem, because the cable that was on this originally was a little bit short, and it needed adjusting, so to speak. Well, it needed a new cable really, but as you can see, it's still being covered up. Right, so I don't know where it's broken. Oh, I see, there's a pull cord around it, look. Should have known that, shouldn't I? A little toggle. Just lengthen that and it comes off like that. Right, so let's get that off of there like that. Put that over there for now. Now, one of my subscribers did ask, are these stickers what I make up any good and holding up? Well, this is Sharon's one, let me show you. So as you can see, they've, I know they've been covered up, but they've been on a good few months now outside, and they've stayed up very well. And I've actually got some which I've done probably 9 months ago inside the log cabin, and again, they've done very well. These have just been lacquered over and printed on normal window sticker vinyl from a place called MDP Supplies. Now, I had, again, I had one of my subscribers say that he contacted MDP Supplies and they told him you couldn't print on the vinyl, which I said, well, there's your proof. You can print on it. They don't want you to know that, because they charge a lot more for printable vinyls. So it wasn't in their interest to say to people, oh no, you can use this cheap vinyl and print on it with your laser print or whatever. Someone else asked, can you print with an inkjet printer? I don't know, I've never tried it. I will probably try it though, but right, let's see what the problem is here. I think it's only just come unclipped. So let's put that back in there, hold on. Right, that goes in there. There's a hole in there, that's right. Was that the one at the back? I can't remember. Did that come up from the back? Yeah, I think it did, didn't it? So all it's done is pop off. Like that, put that on there. Yeah, they only sit on there, don't they? And then pull that forward. Pop it back on there. Hey, is that on there? It's working now, look. I thought that was broken. Look, it's just popped off there, that's all it's done. What's happened, he's probably let it go like that, and it sprung back, and it's just come off there. So that's now working again. Well, let's just spin it around, put some petrol in it. Like that. Right. Let's undo that. Yeah, so as I say, this is holding up pretty well. Yeah, it is empty. But it's powder coated, this deck, as you probably remember. Let's just put some petrol in there anyway. Yeah, that's why I normally used to lacquer my decks with 2K lacquer instead of just normal aerosols, because that just melts all the petrol just melts all the lacquer, and it looks all right, messing bubbles up. But with powder coating or 2K lacquer, you don't get that issue. Right, there we go. That's enough of that in there. Shut that up. And it won't be long before it's the last cut here, to be honest with you. But give it a prime up. Right, okay, that's that. Right, that's got the lawnmower out here. I can't cut the grass first of all because I have to go around with the old dog scoop there and get Barney's little chocolate torpedoes out of the long grass. So I'm going to do that first. I'll put you on a bit of time lapse. I'll show you a bit of it, not me doing all of it. And I'll see you again very shortly. Oh, right, that's it. That's the grass cut. That's not been cut, well, definitely before we went away on holiday, and I think you'll agree it looks a bit better now. It's a bit shadowy, I know, but I really need to go around the edges with a strimmer. I'm not doing that today, but that'll do it for now anyway. So let's get this covered back up again. It works all right, and move on to the next little job.
I said it all blends in now. I said in the beginning that was a brighter green, wasn't it?
Yeah, just have a look at that now. Look, that's the new and old, obviously. So someone did mention about that tree stump over there. I will get that up. That's a job. But look at these mushrooms growing on it. Yeah, look at that. Look. Look at these things. I don't know what they are, but they come up every year. But obviously I'm not touching them because I don't know whether they're poisonous or not. So there you go. They're coming all the way around that stump.
Your phone app?
Eh?
Your phone app?
I haven't got my phone out here, baby. Yeah, there is an app you can point at things like that where you can... Right, so I've got this app on our phone. It comes with a Google, Sharon, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So what you do... Hold on, stay there. Let's get the camera. All right, start from there. So when you press that, hold your finger on it, the assistant comes up and there's a little box next to it. If you press that, this comes up and it says tap to shutter the button to search. So you basically put that, whatever you're looking for, inside that box, and then you didn't touch the...
You do, you touch that bit.
Is that the one there? Gives you a few options, obviously. Oyster mushroom, maybe? Could be an oyster mushroom, yeah.
Look on the oyster.
Yeah. I'm not too sure, but...
Oh, look.
Oh, look, there you go, yeah. It probably is an oyster mushroom, but I wouldn't eat it on the... That's a pearl oyster mushroom, it says there. But I wouldn't eat it on the strength of that.
It grows on the sides of trees.
Oh, there you go, yeah. And that looks like that, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, it does work anyway. But you can do that with all sorts of things, can't you? Flowers, even cars, vehicles and stuff like that.
Why don't you want some dogs?
Yeah, but of course it would do. I don't want to try it now, Sharon. We haven't got enough time for that now. We've got work to do. That's the garden done now. Let's get the wheelbarrow, because we've got a new wheel on the wheelbarrow, because Jimmy... Well, he didn't break it, it just collapsed after about 18 years when he was lifting these slabs around. So I've got another wheel I got from eBay. Not eBay, where was it? Amazon. 15 quid, I think it was. You go and get the wheel, Shah, and I'll bring this wheelbarrow up here. So coming over here, half of the slabs are here. The other half are at the front. Jimmy's going to bring them round once the wheelbarrow's fixed. So let's get this up on the top there and try and get this old wheel off. Oh. Right, give us a lift over, baby. Let's turn it over. Right, ready? Right, plunk it on your table you made many years ago. Could have pushed it on a bit.
That's all right there, look.
Yeah, I know. Well, don't worry about that, Shell. So I just hope I've got the right size wheel. Right, so what do you reckon, baby? Is it the right size? Looks all right, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
It looks like a 25mm spindle, although you do get some adapters with this. But this looks all right as it goes. Right, Sharon, get that wheel off. We need, I think it looks like a 15 mil. I'll go and get it. I'll go and get the 50. I'll go and get the battery. Do you want to have a go at doing this? Come on, let's get her working. Right, let's put that there for a minute. Right, try and make life a little bit easier for you. I've got you the old impact gun. I'll put it on reverse for you. Right, so what you want to be doing is finding that size socket in there. Right, what you got there?
Too small.
Right, we'll go bigger then. You upside down, Sharon. Look, hold on. Look, don't go that way up, baby.
I
Goes that way up. I'd say about a 14 mil. Try a 14 mil. 13 mil, sorry, 13 mil. Look for 13 mil. What's that one?
16, 12. Oh, is that a 13? Yeah.
Right, plonk that on, see if it fits. You go upside down again, Shell. Does that fit on there?
No.
You sure? Let me have a look. I think you'll find it does fit on there, Shell. Yeah, look, it does fit on there. Right, okay, put that on your gun.
How'd you put that on?
Just push it on, line it up. Don't squeeze the trigger, will you? Push it on, that's it. You're on reverse anyway, so whack that on that one, for example. And I don't know whether it's going to spin from underneath. Go on in. Go on there. Go on, keep going. That's it, stop. Right, the nut's off. Put your nut in there.
I don't know how you get that.
Just, if you want to take the bolt out. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's right. You can tap it down like that. That's all right. See, that comes out like that. Now, this one, you might have to knock that on a bit further, Shell. Just give it a little... That's it. Now try it. Go on. Squeeze the trigger. What are you doing? You ain't press the trigger in, baby. Wait, don't put your finger on the trigger while it's there. That's it. Now squeeze.
Did you lock it?
Oh, you've locked it, Sharon. Look.
I don't know.
Well, let me show you. One way goes one way, and that way goes the other way. Now find out what way it's on. Oh, before you put it on, you want it reversing. That's reversing, isn't it? Good girl. Right, now whip it off. That's it. Stop. Right, we'll have to hold the nut underneath. Can you turn it off by hand? No, because that's just spinning, baby. We'll have to hold the underneath there. So I'll have to put the one back on your head. See, looking at them nuts, it's a screwdriver slot. So I've got to go next door now and find a slot. I should have a little dumpy screwdriver in here somewhere. Yeah, see, things we take for granted, chaps, the young ladies don't always know, do they? So that might do, I don't know. Let's have a look. Right, let me try and clean that slot out there. No, that won't do. Let's get my old grips out, look. These will hold it. Right, so if I hold that nut like that, you try and wazz it.
Oh, come on.
Oh, when I say do it slowly, you ain't got to press it fast. Go on. Hold on, whoa, Slim is spinning. I feel like with bloody cement, isn't it? Most simplest of jobs turns into a nightmare. Oh. So it's all these little things here that make the job blink and hang out, you know?
Oh, it moved up there.
Yeah, it will move, Shell, because it's loose. Right, get your drill. Try and do it slowly because I've got to try and hold that. Go on. Well, keep going, keep going. Yeah, so that'll do, yeah, it's off. Right, okay, that's one bolt off, so lay that back down flat again. Okay. Yeah, see, that's why you probably would struggle to do this, Shell.
Oh, yes.
Now I'm hoping that we haven't got to undo the other side. So I'm hoping just to be able to move this one off like that, look. And then pull it out. So that's like that. That's the shaft out. Now the other problem we got now is getting all this cement off of here. Because that's got to slide off. We need the shaft, you see. Might be all right. Right, let's give that a little tap out. There we go. What's that popped off of there? And again, I don't want to round the that off. I don't want to sort of dome the end. Copper out. This is a hide hammer, by the way, so it shouldn't bend the end over. Oh, there we go. Look at the state of that tyre, Sharon. Look, it really did burst, didn't it?
He said he heard a bang, didn't he?
Yeah.
We thought it was a shotgun going up in the
Shotgun?
Oh, in the fields.
Shotgun in Woodhall Spa?
The fields for the birds.
Yeah, look, here it is, look, that's what exploded. That's 16, 18 years old, ain't done too bad, is it? Here's our new wheel, baby. That one goes in that side, so we'll push this in from this side, eh?
A little rust.
Yeah, oh, it goes through a treat, Sharon. It goes through a treat, look at that. Just give that a little tap through. There we go, like that. That went in that way, like that. There's our, is that wheel central? Yep. Look at that, baby, eh? Look at us working as a team. I'll put your bolts back in. That one's already there, isn't it? So that can be tapped. Do you want to tap that up, Shell? That's lovely, baby. Let's put your nut on there. We'll just get the other one on first before we tighten it up. Yeah, because you want to make sure it does go in before we tighten up. So put your other nut on there, here. Through there. Right, okay, so that's that one. Right, okay. Right, now, hold on. Stop, don't do anything, baby.
Come in pink.
You want, I've done your drill in pink. Right, you want that going clockwise now, so check.
I've done that.
Where, show me. Yeah, okay. Now, when you're squeezing this down, you don't want to thrash the head off it. So just tighten up, don't pull it full trigger. Go on, keep going. Go on, off you go. Couple more clicks. Go on, that'll do, yep. And now do that one. Oh, stop, that one's spinning. Right, so I'll have to hold that one with a screwdriver, baby. Same again. One more. Happy days, that'll do, yeah. And that, my little princess.
You'd step about me, wouldn't you?
You've just fixed that wheelbarrow, Sharon. Let's get it on the deck. Right, lift and go back towards you. Okay.
Did you leave that there so I fall over?
Yes, of course I did, baby. Put it down. Right, now just go up and down and test it. Go on in, baby. How's it feel?
Oh, great.
Happy days, yeah? You happy with it? That's now ready for Jimmy.
Yeah, Jimmy and your mates.
Right, come over here, Shal. Just want to show you this. I did try to pull this grass up earlier on. Can you see if you can pull it up? Put it down. Put your wheelbarrow down. Get a clump of it on there and you should be able to pull that out. Get away, Barney. Get a big clump. That's it. Throw it over the back there.
Over where?
Well, over there, I've put a little pile there. Yeah. So that's all got to come out. Even Barney's having a go, look. So that's all got to come.
Barney here.
Yeah, show him over there, Shal.
Barney here.
You know where the line is, don't you? So all this has got to come out along here. You might be able to rake it, Sharon, and do it that way, but...
Well, the good thing is it's been raining, hasn't it?
Yeah, but I think I've done enough today now, Shal.
Yeah, I've been doing things indoors.
Hey, oh, I had to take you in hand, Shal, and show you what to do. Say that again, baby.
I was saying, told you the other day how the ivy's died off around the sides of the house.
Oh yeah, let's go and have a look.
Let's have a look.
So, as you probably well know, we had the ivy that was growing up the side of the house where the mice were climbing up. And we did cut it all off eventually, but we're going to have to pull it down. But Sharon said it's all...
Look.
Oh yeah, cool, it's come down a lot, hasn't it? Wow, look at that. All the leaves have come off it. It looks half of what it was, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, oh, I'm well pleased with that, Shal.
I'll show that.
Hold on. But yeah, well, pull it out, Shal. That's it, rip it all out, because we cleared all this lot down the side.
Roots, look.
Yeah, I know, they seed quickly, Sharon. All this will have to be cleaned up again, as you can see there. Look, the weeds are starting to come through again, but that was the main thing, getting that ivy clean off the side of the house. So I've got to pull all these big roots down once all the leaves fall off it and make life a little bit easier. What's that there? Bit of concrete. Right, okay then, folks. Well, thanks very much for just watching the little tinkering about video. It's our first retro restore video since we've been back off holiday. I've got a bad arm with it, even though you don't think I have, but I have, honestly. So
Oh, have you not mentioned it?
I'm on painkillers every morning, and I've got to try and wean myself with them, baby, and I. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and until then,
goodbye.
bye for now. Come on, baby, get the kettle on.